In today's video, I'm going to show you how to rename Google Form link. To begin, open your Google Form in your web browser. Now, click the Send button at the top right. Choose the link icon, the second tab, and you'll see a long URL generated for your form. If you want, you can tick the box that says Shorten URL, but that only slightly reduces the size and still doesn't give you a name you control. Instead, copy the link, then open a new tab. In here, go to bit.ly.com. If you haven't signed in before, create a free account or log in. Once you're in, paste your Google Form link into the field provided and click Shorten. Bit.ly will generate a short, trackable link. You can then edit the back half of that link to something like bit.ly, my survey form, as long as that name isn't already taken. This becomes your new custom named link. If you want even more personalization, you can also embed the form or link it using anchor text, like a button or hyperlink, in places such as your website, Google Sites, or emails. For example, instead of sharing the raw URL, you can write, "Click here to fill out the feedback form," and hyperlink it to your bit.ly or Google Form link. This technique helps make your form look more professional, easier to distribute, and safer to click on, especially when you're sending it via social media, email campaigns, or even QR codes. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.